In this video, we're going to look at angles in a quadrilateral. Now, you need to remember that the angles in a quadrilateral add up to 360 degrees. So in this rectangle here, we have 4 right angles. Now, each right angle is 90 degrees, and 4 times 90 is 360. Now, not all questions are going to be easy as that. So, for instance, we've got this quadrilateral here when it wants us to work out what B is. So to work out B, I'm going to add these 3 angles together and then take that result away from 360. Okay, so I've just got those 3 angles there, so I'm going to add them up. 6 add 4 is 10, add 9 is 19. So 9 carry the 1. 2 add 6 is 8, add 5 is 13, add on the 1 is 14. 4 carry the 1. 1 add the 1 that's carried over, it's 249. So to work out B, I'm going to do 360 take away 249. So 0 take away 9 can't do, so borrow. I'm going to get 1, 1, 1. So B is 111. Okay, let's move on to this second one here, number 12. So you need to work out what A, B, and C is. Well, A here is opposite 75, so A is going to be 75 degrees as well. B is in this straight angle here with 67, so B is going to be 180 minus 67. And if I have a little thing about that, it's going to be 113. So to work out C, I'm going to do 108 plus 75 plus 113 and take that away from 360. Okay, so let's do that. 8 add 3 add 5 is 16. 6 carry 1. 1 add 7 add 1 is 9. 1 add 1 is 2, so it's 296. Take 296 away from 360 and you're left with 64. So C is 64 degrees.